Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning the frame face down on a soft towel so glass won't chip. This protects the photo and keeps pieces contained. Once positioned, put on gloves to avoid fingerprints and steady the frame with one hand. Use a flathead screwdriver or your fingernail to lift small tabs or turn buttons. If staples are present, you'll carefully pry them up with pliers. Make sure to note how the backing sits so you can reverse the steps later. Once the tabs or staples are released, gently lift the backing out and set it aside. This exposes the mat, glass, and photo layers. You should slide out the mat first if present, then grasp the edge of the glass with both hands and lift straight up to avoid scraping. If the photo adheres to the glass, warm the area with a hair dryer on low to loosen adhesion. Make sure to support the photo edge so it doesn't tear while separating. You now handle the photo by supporting its edges and sliding it onto acid-free paper. This prevents oils and bends. Once done, store it flat in an archival sleeve or reframe with new backing and clean glass, making sure tabs align before securing. If the photo is torn or stuck, stop and consult a conservator rather than forcing repairs. This prevents irreversible damage. One troubleshooting tip: if you encounter stubborn adhesive, gently warm the glass and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.